Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, where I talk about science and astronomy. Today, I want to share with you some amazing facts and discoveries about the Sun, our star, and how it is changing over time. The Sun is the center of our solar system, and it provides us with light, heat, and energy. It also influences the weather, the climate, and the magnetic field of Earth and other planets. The Sun is a huge ball of plasma, or ionized gas, that is held together by gravity. It has several layers, such as the core, the radiative zone, the convective zone, the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. The Sun also has a powerful magnetic field that extends far beyond its surface. The Sun is not a constant star. It goes through cycles of increased and decreased activity, which can last for about 11 years. These cycles are called solar cycles, and they are measured by the number and size of sunspots on the Sun's surface. Sunspots are dark areas that are cooler than the surrounding regions. They are caused by intense magnetic activity that inhibits the flow of heat from the Sun's interior. Sunspots are not the only sign of solar activity. The Sun also produces flares, coronal mass ejections, CMEs, and solar wind. Flares are sudden bursts of radiation that can last from minutes to hours. CMEs are huge clouds of plasma and magnetic fields that are ejected from the Sun at high speeds. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles that constantly flows from the Sun across the solar system. These phenomena can affect Earth and other planets in various ways. They can interact with Earth's magnetic field and create geomagnetic storms. These storms can disrupt communication systems, power grids, satellites, and navigation devices. They can also create beautiful auroras, or northern and southern lights, in the sky. We are currently in the 25th solar cycle, which started in December 2019 and is expected to peak in July 2025. This means that we will see more sunspots, flares, CMEs, and solar wind in the next few years. Scientists are closely monitoring the Sun's activity using various instruments and missions. One of these missions is the Solar Orbiter, a joint project between NASA and the European Space Agency. The Solar Orbiter spacecraft was launched in February 2020 and has been orbiting the Sun at a distance of about 42 million miles. It has captured images of the Sun's south pole, where it observed tiny jets of plasma escaping from the Sun's outer atmosphere. These jets could be the source of the solar wind. Another mission is the Parker Solar Probe, which was launched in August 2018 by NASA. The Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft to fly through the Sun's corona, or outer atmosphere. It has been breaking records for being the closest human-made object to the Sun and the fastest human-made object in history. It has been collecting data on the Sun's magnetic field, plasma, and energy particles. These missions will help us understand more about the Sun and its cycles, which will improve our ability to predict and prepare for solar storms. They will also help us learn more about how stars work in general. The Sun is an amazing star that has a profound impact on our lives and our planet. It is also a dynamic star that is changing over time. The Sun is awakening with solar storms that could affect Earth. But don't worry, we have scientists and spacecrafts that are watching over it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the Sun. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more science and astronomy videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.